Velarux Anti Snoring Mouthpiece is marketed as a simple fix that stops snoring instantly by opening your airway. But the real question is whether it actually works or just follows the usual quick fix sleep gadget pattern. What it actually is, in simple terms, Velarux is basically a mandibular advancement device MAD, a mouth guard that pushes your lower jaw forward, opens your airway slightly, reduces vibration snoring. This type of device is real and medically used, and can help in some cases. What it actually does well can reduce snoring for some people. Mouthpieces like this can work if your snoring is caused by airway blockage or jaw position. Non-invasive solution. No machines, no surgery. Just wear it at night. Where it falls apart, specific to Velarux. Very poor product quality reports. One detailed user review reported. Cheap materials. Strong plastic smell. Product not matching advertised images. Comfort issues are a big problem. Bulky fit. Jaw pain and soreness. Difficult to sleep with. This is actually common with low-quality mouthpieces. So, does Velarux actually work? Short answer, unlikely for most people. The type of device works in theory. But this specific product has too many quality and reliability issues. Velarux Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece is not a complete scam, but it's a low-quality version of a real solution. The concept mouthpiece is legit. The execution, Velarux, is weak. If you want to try this category, it's better to go with tested, adjustable, and medically reviewed options, not a random, heavily marketed version. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.